Hello lovelies, today let's quickly check out how we can preserve our crayfish without refrigerator. I buy crayfish when it's in season. I buy in bulk and then go ahead to fry before keeping them in order not to spoil before the time. Now if you fry your crayfish before preserving it, it will last up to 6 months or more without refrigerator. I go ahead to fry, sieve and package and keep in a cool dry place, not necessarily fridge. Just pack it in a container, ziploc or nylon, tie it well. That way you keep your crayfish for as long as you may want it. Another advantage of frying before selecting your crayfish, it helps to remove all the chaff, all the tangled chaff in the crayfish with the tangle itself by the fire. So it makes it very easy for you to clean your crayfish and store. Don't store your crayfish dirty for easy use, and you don't store mine dirty. My mom taught me that, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and thank you for liking. Thank you, comment and share. See you in my next video guys. I love you.